Malapit nang magpasko pero may oras pa para masigurong sama-sama kayo ng pamilya at kaibigan mo sa pagdiwang nito. Bukod sa masarap na Noche Buena, dapat may 10 Pinoy channels ka. Including 6 DirecTV exclusives with Filipino Direct package, dagdagan mo pa ng 125 English channels with preferred choice-based package para merong free HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, and Stars for 3 months. Free HD and free HD DVR and HD receiver upgrade na tsak na kagigiliwan ng lahat. Tandaan, sa preferred choice-based package, kasama lahat ng ito at may savings ka pa ng over $400. At kung gusto mo ng extra savings, refer a friend to DirecTV and you and your friends will get $100 each. Act now! Dahil kung hindi... Kaya tawag na sa DirecTV 1-800-982-5553 to get all these limited time offers. Magtanong rin kung paano makaka-DirecTV plus phone plus internet bundle packages. Call and ask about our other Filipino packages starting at $24.99.